build a stack with Allie and Bess. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna do I'm gonna do the Sophie stack and maybe add a few more things. Okay. I'm gonna do the fun, colorful one. Obviously, I have like a fun t-shirt on, so we're gonna do some fun pops of color. Obsessed. Obsessed that I got the gold and the silver, and we're gonna do both because sometimes you gotta rock two of something. Look how cute, you guys. Let's go in with the pearl. Let's go. How cute, you guys. And then I've got pearl bracelets. I'm gonna do a little turquoise one too. And maybe even the evil eye one just for fun. And then this really cute, this cute bead too. So cute. Okay, I think that's good. They sent this that I thought was so cute. Do we just add it on for fun? Why not? Why not? It's nice and long too. I mean, obsessed. And then you could always do like a pop. I'm not gonna add this, but I love the evil eye in the yellow. But I'm loving this whole feel. Allie and Bess, little Sophie collab. I love you all. Love this whole look.